what you can do if you walk into a gym and you're like, okay, I'm in here, I'm looking at all this equipment, what in the heck do I do? So if I was a beginner stepping in day one, and this is with, let's say I have zero knowledge of the gym, I would probably, if I just signed up, for example, go up to one of the trainers, one of the personal trainers at the front desk and ask if they could maybe just give me a quick tour of the gym, show me anything just around, show me all the equipment, show me all the different things, and not necessarily how to do the equipment, but just to give you kind of a frame of mind and perspective of what the machines in the gym are. And having him or her next to you guiding you through this is going to make it way less intimidating while you kind of scan the room and see all the different pieces of equipment. And then you may quickly realize that, oh, I saw somebody use that online, I know how to use that. Or, ooh, I've actually done that piece of equipment before when I visited out of town and I went to a gym or something, whatever. You're going to start recognizing things that you feel comfortable with. Then at that point, when the personal trainer leaves, you can just start there. Start there on that machine. Maybe that's all you do for that day. But you're gonna start going in, you're gonna come back to that machine, start looking at more machines. You might start getting the confidence to asking people how to do stuff. You might start looking online for other information on how to use the machines. I have a few videos from those specific kind of things on my channel. You can check those out as well. And you can ultimately build just more confidence from that one small step of asking for a little bit of help. It'll really go a long way.